truck. Don't touch my
Hey guys, it's Tiffy Cali Girl. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're just gonna jump right in. It's a 2016 F-150 that I've been modifying and making upgrades to. I'll put the description of everything I've bought for the vehicle in the details for the video. So make sure that you guys just look out for that. And if you have any questions, let me know. But we're gonna jump right in. All right, hey guys. I'm inside the vehicle. I just want you to hear the sound of my vehicle cranking because like I did a resonator delete. I deleted the muffler that was on there and I got a different exhaust. It's gonna be a dual exhaust on this vehicle. So I'm gonna start it up. I want you guys to like try and listen, see if you can hear it. We'll do something on the outside too so you can hear it as well. I'm gonna start up the vehicle now. And that's the sound you hear when it starts. It's a little low growl. It's not too intense, but I'm gonna hit the gas so you guys can hear it too. All right, and that's when you hit the gas. It sounds a little different, more aggressive than stock. And I want to mention I have an EcoBoost, so it's not gonna be extremely aggressive, but I like it. And I just got it done too, so I got it done at Car Pros, Muffler and Masters. So I got the remove and replace 3-inch exhaust pipe, and I did the resonator and muffler delete on it. And my price, I was looking at $483, so it wasn't too terrible, and I was kind of happy with the results. So we'll go on the outside. So just to mention, I haven't really done anything like on the inside of my truck. I got the Lariat, so it's actually pretty nice. So, I mean, it's got the moonroof, or panoramic moonroof as well. Leather seats. I got the WeatherTech mats as well. They're really great. If you have like friends, you know, you're going on a road trip, people spill stuff, it really helps with that. It catches all of whatever spills on the floor. So my floor is completely protected. I have like no stains or nothing on my carpet at all, period. All right, so we'll go on the outside of the vehicle and we'll listen on the outside. So let's go. All right, so that's my new dual exhaust right there. I love it. It's black. I'm trying to dark out my whole vehicle. I want to plan on getting rid of all the chrome on the vehicle. I bought new rims and tires as well, but we'll get into that more later. I just want you all to like hear the exhaust from the outside, so let's try this out. Alright guys, so that was the exhaust system. I'll even get you guys like the company or whatever I bought it from, so you guys, if you want it, you'll have it in the description for the video. But let's get started on like the outside, so you can just see what I've done on the outside of the vehicle. So I put a light bar on. I have this Ronin antenna that I really like a lot. Ignore this cable, I have to fix it. The tape came off, so I didn't want to drill a hole directly into the vehicle, so that's why mine's on the outside, but I'm gonna fix it. I thought I was gonna sell the vehicle and buy the new 2021, but I just love my truck so much, I'm just gonna keep it. But also I changed the emblems. It's really cheap. Amazon has them for like what, 20 bucks I think. That'll be in the description as well. This comes with 3 sets, so the 2 for the sides on the front of the truck, and then you have one on the back as well. These are separately. You have to buy these EcoBoost, but I didn't want EcoBoost, so I got the EcoBeast. I think it looks cool. That's what I'm trying to turn my vehicle into, like a beast. These are the rims and tires that I put on after the stock, but I'm getting new ones and everything. These are the Helo. I have to get you the exact measurements for the rims and tires. I think they're 20s. The offset I think is like 14, so like you can't really like see anything from the edge or anything like that. Let's try it from this angle. So you see like the offset on the vehicle isn't that bad. It sticks out or pokes out a little bit, but not a lot. I also had my roommate black out my my lights. I didn't want them too dark, but I darked it out just like a little bit. The ones in the back lights are a little darker. I even did like the fog lights as well. And then I installed a grill myself. It was about 3 hours to install. It was a little annoying to install, a little frustrating, but I like the look, so who cares, you know? And then on the bottom, I installed chains just to make it like look more aggressive as well. Since I'm trying to like dark out the whole vehicle, I might just like try and find black chains, but it's really hard to find. Here's the other side of the vehicle with the emblems as well. And then we go to the back of the vehicle. We have the I darked out the lights back here. They're a little too light, so I'm gonna have my roommate dark them out a little bit more. And then here's the back emblem on this as well. The tonneau cover came with it already. I didn't do anything with that. It already came used with that, so nothing to worry about there. Then I darked out the red light in the center for the brake light. I did this myself as well. Taped everything, all the chrome, taped it up, and did it dark black. It's kind of starting to disappear, but it still looks really good, so I like it. It's not too terrible or anything like that. And then later down the road, I am going to vinyl wrap the bumpers, because I like the bumpers, but I don't like all the chrome, so I want to put vinyl on there. And then on the front bumpers as well, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to black them out, probably with matte black on that. And then I'll do another video purchasing black covers, the mirror. I'm still having a hard time finding the door handles for the Lariat F-150. Once I find them, I'll put that in the description as well on my next video, so you guys will have that as well. And then I'll just show you guys the back. I have these like Weathertech Mats. They're really great. I like them a lot. This was $100. I'll put that link in my description as well. Everything that I've done to this vehicle, I'll put the description in. And also, if you guys like my Spartan Blue Lives sticker on the back, I will put that description in the link too. It's not extremely big. I really want it to be bigger, but I can't really find a decal that's a lot bigger than that. But yeah, I also got the light bar on Amazon as well. I got the brackets on Amazon as well. So yeah, it wasn't very expensive to put a lot of work into it. I think the most expensive thing on this vehicle right now is the rims and tires. But oh, one other thing, I put a leveling kit. You'll probably notice that, like if I stand back, it looks level. I don't like how forwards dip in the front, so I want mine to be exactly level. But I bought a 6-inch suspension lift, and I will be putting that on pretty soon. So I'll have a new video for the rims and tires that I put on, and the suspension lift. It's gonna look dope. If you guys have any questions for me, let me know, and I will definitely help you guys out. Also, if you're wondering where the chains are from, they're from Harbor Freight Tools. It was like $40. So I just think I need to tighten the chains up just a little bit more. But other than that, I love the way my vehicle looks. Yeah, and if you notice the dent on there, don't worry about that. I'm gonna get that fixed too. But yep, this is my 2016 F-150 EcoBoost, but now it's the EcoBeast. So I will definitely let you guys know when I put up my new video. I haven't posted in a while. I'm sorry about that, guys, but I'll definitely have some new content for you guys and some ideas for if you want to make your vehicle look more aggressive. Well, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace out.